Tired of the same old routine? These affordable yet genius gadgets will completely change the way you live, cook, clean, and relax. Whether you're on a budget or just love finding cool Amazon products, you won't believe how useful these items are, especially for daily life. Let's dive in before your new favorite gadget goes out of stock. Say goodbye to time-consuming chopping with this portable electric mini vegetable chopper. Compact yet powerful, it slices, dices, and purees your veggies in seconds. Perfect for quick meals, baby food, or camping trips. Just press a button and let it do the work. It's your new kitchen bestie you didn't know you needed. Tired of hand-washing struggles? This suction cup silicone washboard makes scrubbing clothes effortless and mess-free. Just stick it to your sink or tub, and its textured surface tackles tough stains with ease. Flexible, durable, and easy to clean. It's the perfect laundry companion for small spaces, travel, or quick washes. Protect your sleeves in style with these waterproof arm sleeve covers. Perfect for washing dishes, cleaning, gardening, or cooking. They keep your arms dry and your clothes spotless. Made from durable, water-resistant material with elastic cuffs for a snug fit, they're lightweight, reusable, and super easy to slip on and off. A practical must-have for mess-free chores every day. Say goodbye to blurry side mirrors on rainy days with this anti-rain mirror film. Designed to repel water, fog, and dirt, it ensures crystal clear visibility even in the worst weather conditions. Easy to apply and ultra-durable, it enhances driving safety by keeping your mirrors clear at all times. A small upgrade that makes a huge difference. Perfect for every vehicle. Make water dispensing effortless with this electric water dispenser pump. Just one touch, and you get a steady, smooth flow. No lifting heavy bottles or manual pumping. USB rechargeable, portable, and super convenient for home, office, or outdoors. Stay hydrated the smart and easy way with this must-have gadget. Say hello to cozy comfort on the go with this travel blanket pillow combo. It's a soft plush blanket tucked inside a compact pillowcase. Perfect for flights, road trips, or even office naps. Lightweight, portable, and multifunctional. It keeps you warm and supported wherever you are. Travel smarter, rest better. Tired of messy drawers? This socks and underwear storage organizer brings order to chaos. With multiple compartments, it neatly sorts your lingerie, boxers, briefs, and socks, so you never waste time digging around again. Made from durable, breathable material, it fits perfectly in most drawers and closets. Whether you're at home or organizing a dorm or travel bag, this sleek solution keeps your essentials tidy, accessible, and looking great. Declutter in style and enjoy the satisfaction of a perfectly organized drawer. This posture corrector stick is a game changer for your back and shoulders, designed to align your spine naturally. It helps you stand tall and confident while relieving tension and discomfort. Lightweight, adjustable, and easy to use, perfect for work, home, or workouts. Your posture will thank you. This quirky wall-mounted toilet-shaped ashtray adds a fun twist to your smoking space. Designed to look like a mini toilet, it's both hilarious and functional. It keeps ashes contained, eliminates mess, and even helps with odor control. Easy to mount and clean. It's a conversation starter you never knew you needed. Tackle tough grease and grime effortlessly with this stainless steel scrubber, designed for heavy-duty cleaning. It's perfect for pots, pans, grills, and stubborn stains. Rust-resistant and long-lasting, it scrubs without breaking down like regular sponges. A must-have tool to keep your kitchen sparkling clean with minimal effort. Maximize your closet space with this shoe slots organizer. Its smart, stackable design lets you store twice the number of shoes in the same area while keeping everything neat and accessible. Perfect for sneakers, heels, or slippers. It's durable, easy to use, and a total game changer for cluttered shoe racks. Say goodbye to messy closets. Transform your bathroom with this shower caddy tension pole organizer. Designed to fit perfectly in any corner, it features multiple adjustable shelves to hold your shampoo, soap, and other essentials. The rust-resistant frame and sturdy tension system ensure it stays securely in place. No drilling required. Keep your shower space tidy and stylish effortlessly. Say goodbye to cluttered floors with this sleek metal shoe rack. Built with a durable frame and a space-saving design, it neatly stores multiple pairs of shoes while keeping them easily accessible. Its modern look fits perfectly in entryways, closets, or bedrooms. Stay organized and stylish. Your footwear finally has a home. Make bottle and cup cleaning effortless with this bottle cup lid cleaning brush. Designed with dual-ended bristles in a compact shape, it reaches every nook and cranny. Lids, straws, seals, and tight corners. Say goodbye to hidden grime and hello to a sparkling clean drinkware collection. It's a small tool with a big cleaning impact. Say goodbye to bulky colanders and hello to convenience with this clip-on strainer. Designed to fit almost any pot, pan, or bowl. It clips on securely and lets you drain liquids quickly and easily without the mess. Its compact size saves kitchen space, and the heat-resistant material makes it super durable. Perfect for pasta, veggies, and more. This is a game changer for effortless kitchen prep. Add an extra layer of security wherever you go with this portable door lock. Whether you're staying in a hotel, rental, or dorm, this compact and easy-to-install gadget keeps unwanted entry out. No tools required. Just insert, lock, and feel safe instantly. It's travel-friendly, reliable, and a must-have for peace of mind. Keep your wardrobe neat and wrinkle-free with this pants hanger with clips. Designed with strong, non-slip clips, it firmly holds your trousers, skirts, or scarves without leaving marks. The space-saving slim profile lets you hang multiple items in tight closets. Durable and adjustable, it's perfect for organizing your clothes with ease and style. Keep your kitchen clutter-free with this wall-mounted kitchen utensils holder. It's perfect for saving counter space while keeping your most used tools within reach. With strong adhesive backing and multiple hooks, it's easy to install and can hold everything from spatulas to ladles. A smart, space-saving solution for every organized kitchen. Say goodbye to cramped drying spaces with the tripod clothes drying rack. This lightweight, foldable rack pops open in seconds and holds a full load of laundry with ease. Its sturdy tripod base ensures balance on any surface, indoors or out, while the 360 degrees rotating arms offer maximum airflow for faster, wrinkle-free drying. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or small laundry rooms, it collapses for easy storage when not in use. Whether you're drying delicates or everyday wear, this rack makes laundry day quicker, neater, and way more efficient. Keep your soap dry, clean, and mess-free with the wall-mounted self-draining soap holder. Designed with a smart angled drainage system, it prevents soggy soap by allowing water to flow out instantly. Easy to install with strong adhesive, no drilling required. Save space, reduce waste, and add a sleek touch to your bathroom or kitchen instantly. Make medication time safe and simple with the pill cutter splitter with dispenser. Designed for precision, it easily cuts pills into perfect halves or quarters, reducing waste and ensuring accurate doses. The built-in dispenser keeps pills organized and ready to go. Compact, portable, and easy to use, perfect for home, travel, or daily use. Maximize your ride with the multi-purpose hanging hook for bike handles. This compact yet sturdy hook lets you hang bags, helmets, water bottles, or groceries with ease. Designed for a secure grip and easy installation, it's perfect for commuters, casual riders, or delivery cyclists. Stay hands-free and organized while on the go. Smart riding starts here. Tackle tough stains with ease using the scouring pad cleaning brush with handle. Designed for heavy-duty scrubbing, this brush features a durable scouring pad and an ergonomic handle that gives you a firm, comfortable grip. Perfect for cleaning kitchen sinks, stovetops, tiles, and more. It cuts through grease and grime in seconds. Say goodbye to stubborn messes and hello to sparkling clean surfaces, effortlessly. Protect your charging cables in style with the silicone charger cable protector. Made from flexible, durable silicone, it wraps snugly around cable ends to prevent fraying, bending, and breakage. Easy to install and compatible with most cables, it adds a fun pop of color while extending your charger's life. Keep your cords safe, neat, and tangle-free every day. Keep your food fresh and organized with the Airtight food storage container with handle, featuring a secure locking lid and silicone seal. It locks in freshness and keeps out moisture, pests, and odors. The built-in handle makes it easy to carry and pour. Perfect for storing rice, cereal, snacks, or pet food. Durable, space-saving, and easy to clean. It's a must-have for every modern kitchen or pantry. Say goodbye to clogged sinks with the pop-up bathroom sink drain strainer. This smart 2-in-1 design acts as both a strainer and a stopper. Just press to switch modes. It catches hair and debris while allowing water to flow freely. Easy to install, rust-resistant, and super sleek. It's the ultimate upgrade for a cleaner, hassle-free sink. Dry your clothes anytime, anywhere with the portable electric clothes dryer. Compact yet powerful, it quickly dries garments without shrinking or damaging fabric. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or travel. It's easy to set up, energy efficient, and gentle on delicates. Say goodbye to damp laundry days. Stay fresh and dry with convenience at your fingertips. Simplify your kitchen routine with the food measuring cup with sealing clips. This clever 2-in-1 tool lets you measure ingredients and seal the bag all in one go. Perfect for coffee, grains, snacks, or pet food. It keeps contents fresh while saving space and time. A smart, mess-free solution every home cook will love. Reach new heights with ease using the foldable step stool. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for kitchens, closets, or any hard-to-reach spots. Folds flat for easy storage and pops open in seconds. With non-slip feet and a strong build, it's the perfect blend of safety, convenience, and space-saving design. Make pouring mess-free with the stainless steel funnel. Durable, rust-resistant, and built to last, it's perfect for transferring liquids, oils, or dry ingredients with precision. Its wide mouth and narrow stem ensure smooth flow without spills. Easy to clean and ideal for kitchen or DIY use. This funnel is a must-have for every home. Thanks for joining us on this tour of must-have gadgets that bring ease, organization, and efficiency to your daily life. If you found something cool or useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds. Stay tuned. We've got plenty more genius gadgets coming your way soon.